Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of fertilizer. I'm going to show you how to do a fungi fertilizer. As you know that we need both bacteria and fungi in our soil to make our plant grow. That's basically the fundamental things what the plant needs in the soil. So the last video I did, I showed you how to do two basically bacteria-based fertilizer. And this one I'm going to show you today is how to make it, the fungi version of it, right? So if you come in a little bit close, I'm going to just basically take my time and show you how, I do that. Right, guys, so what we're going to be using for this particular fertilizer is going to be mushrooms, right? So as you know, mushrooms is mycelium, and when the mycelium goes into the ground, it creates fungi, and then that fungi also helps your roots, helps your plants find water, and helps your plants be a little bit more healthier. So sometimes if you have a plant with some brown leaves, look a little bit sick, you've been giving it like the organic bacteria fertilizer, but it still looks like it's not picking up, then you should try giving it this one, and then you might see your plants look a little bit more happier and a little bit more healthier, guys. All right, so I'm going to show you the process of how I'm going to do this. Here we got a bottle, 2-liter bottle of water, say about a quarter of it is missing. What we're going to do is just basically just cut our mushrooms into small sections like this, just small enough so that it can go through the bottle. Then we're going to basically just push the small bits through the top. And what this is going to do is going to add mycelium to your soil. And that mycelium is basically a form of a fungi. And all the plants need some sort of mycelium to help them function, to help the roots find water, like I was trying to explain earlier. So I'm just basically using normal mushrooms that we would use for cooking. The first one was a chestnut. This one is a butternut. And what we're going to do is just put about, say maybe 4 of them in there. And we're going to allow it to ferment for like say 3 to 4 days. Then after that, you should be able to give it to your plants, or it'll be ready to be used. Alright guys, so once you've got it all in here, you need to give it a good shake. Try to shake it, incorporate the mushrooms into the water. We're going to put that down to sit for, like I said, 3 to 4 days. Allow the mushroom to kind of break down a little. If you've been giving your plants like I said, the bacteria version, like say the worm tea, or you've been giving it the grass clipping style of fertilizer, and you notice your plant is still not picking up, then it more than likely needs some fungi into the soil, because we need 50% bacteria and we need 50% fungi in the soil to make the whole plant, kind of function properly, to make it work healthy, to make the plant to be healthy, sorry. Alright guys, so I don't know, give it a try. Leave in the comment if you know about this. If not, give it a try. Let us know how it works for you. On that I say, live well, together we grow.